typing while sipping your favorite coffee and earn up to $85 per day. If you don't feel like typing, you can just copy and paste it. If you prefer, keep watching as I show you exactly how to do it. Plus, this website's registration is completely free. You don't have to pay anything upfront, and you don't need any writing experience. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. The first step is for you to log on to your computer or mobile phone. This can now be done on your smartphone, and it doesn't matter if you have an Android or an iPhone. You can still do this from anywhere in the world. Next, I want you to go to typingtest.com, where you can take a 60-second typing test. When you get to this website, click on this typing test and you'll be taken to this page where you can see, "Welcome to the world's most popular typing speed test with over 4 million tests performed every month." So you can select 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, and then select text sentences or words that are extremely important. I would like you to log in and select the 1 minute test option, so we'll do it for 60 seconds. Then if you click on the text and then on more options, I want you to click on this Start Typing Task. What's even more amazing and convenient is that you can do this on your phone, as you can see. You can start typing by clicking or tapping over here, and they'll measure how fast you can type. For example, if I start typing a specific word, the timer will start running and they'll show me how fast I type. This website's address is typingtest.com. If you go to this website and click on typing practices or typing courses, they will give you a free course and training to help you type faster. The reason for this is that this video will show you a few websites that can help you make money online by simply typing, and the faster you type, the more money you can make. Now I'll show you a couple of websites where you can make money online by simply typing, and I'll show you that they're basically covering the entire world. So this is going to be the first website that I want to show you that can help you make even more money online. See right here, $1.25 per minute. Now let's go to the internet calculator and try to do the math. 1.25 cents per minute or $1.35 per minute. Now if you type for 60 minutes or 1 hour, you can make $75. Simply typing on this page for 3 hours can earn you $225, and typing for 5 hours can earn you up to $375. As a result, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a very legitimate and true organization that has been trusted by over 170,000 people from various industries all over the world. Now go to rev.com. and go to the homepage, where you can see that transcription is 1.25 cents per minute, and captions are also 1.25 cents per minute, with international subtitles ranging from $3 to $7 per minute. This is an advantage if you're from a foreign country. For example, if you're from India and know Hindi or another language in your country, you can help them put subtitles on the videos or translate the videos from your country's language. As you can see from the 3 dots here, you can earn a lot of money. For example, you can earn about $5 per minute on average, which means you could earn $300 per hour simply by producing subtitles if you speak a foreign language. As a result, this will be a fantastic opportunity for people from all over the world. Now, if you're just getting started and don't speak a foreign language, I'd recommend starting with video transcription for $1.25 per minute. Right now, if you scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you'll see that I have become a freelancer. You'll see here freelancing jobs at work from home with a work schedule that is extremely adaptable. You can pick and choose among hundreds of jobs and you'll get paid weekly. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Now that you have arrived at this new website that I will introduce you, transcribeme.com, you'll notice that there is a few career opportunities here where you can type and earn money online, such as transcription or translation. I'd like you to concentrate on transcription again, because as you can see here, they pay more than anyone they have in the industry batch rate, with earnings starting at $15. A top monthly earning of $2,200 is okay. It's very high. So first, let's go to the online calculator. For example, if we obtain $22 per hour, and if you do it for 5 hours, you may earn $110 per day. But this is paying you so much less than Rev.com, which is why I recommend you set aside some time and join Rev.com, because it's a superior option if you want more potential and build multiple streams. That's a good enough reason to actually join both Rev.com and TranscribeMe.com. So you have more flexibility, because sometimes you can find jobs on Rev.com, or you can just go to TranscribeMe.com to find actual work that you can use through your computer or your phone. So if you want to join, just click the Join Today button right here, and you'll be taken to a page where you can join. What's great about this website is that you can find it from your phone or computer, and they have very flexible work hours and timetables, so you can work at your own pace. The best part is that they sometimes only offer you 2 or 4 minute clips, so it's not long at all. Just imagine if you spend half an hour or even an hour transcribing, you'll be making a lot of money. All you have to do is enter your first name, last name, and email address. Make sure to use your real email address for the account activation confirmation link. It's also important to check your email, including your spam box and promotional tabs, to ensure that you don't miss any emails from them. Finally, enter your password and confirm your password right here, and then enter your PayPal address so that they can send you the payment.